Hey everybody, Awesome from Mytee here with another quick how-to video for you. Today we're talking about System Maintainer. I'm going to show you the proper way to run this through your machine. Let's go ahead and get started. So, Mytee recommends running System Maintainer through your machine about once every 3 months. This is going to help remove that hard water scale and other chemicals that might be built up inside your system, keeping it operating at its peak. You might do it more or less often depending on how hard your water is. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. Step one is to mix it to the proper dilution. You're going to want a 1-to-1 ratio of your System Maintainer to warm water. I've already got warm water here in my bucket. I'm going to go ahead and pour in my System Maintainer. And you're going to want to make sure you mix it in a separate container first. Make sure it gets real well mixed. Shake it around in this bucket here. Alrighty. So now we have our System Maintainer mixed up and diluted. We're going to go ahead and add it to our solution tank. There we go. Alright, before we turn the pump on, we want to be able to run the solution through our entire system. So you want to connect a cleaning tool. If you have multiple cleaning tools, you can connect them each throughout this process. Right now I have my upholstery tool here. We also recommend that you remove the jets from any of your tools. As you do this process, it's going to flush out gunk and flakes of hard water scale. You don't want that to clog up your jets. Okay, so I've got my tool connected, I've got my tank filled up with the diluted System Maintainer. We're ready to get going here. I'm going to go ahead and hit the pump, and we can start pulling the trigger on our tool, pulling that System Maintainer through the machine. Once you have a steady flow going through and you know that it's in your pump, it's in your heater, your whole system has it, you can actually give it about 5 minutes to do its work in there, dissolve everything, and then we'll come back and flush all the rest of it out. Okay, so now it's been about 5 minutes, so we're ready to run the rest of the maintainer through our system. Now this would be the time that you would want to switch out any other tools if you want to run the System Maintainer through those as well. Once you've emptied your tank out, all the System Maintainers run through it, you're going to want to fill up your machine again with warm water all the way to the top. Run that all the way through your machine as well, just to make sure everything is rinsed out, and you're ready to get back out there with your machine running at peak performance.